Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the L'Oreal Paris Line Studio Matte and Messy Shine Free Fiber Paste. So this is an extra strong hold. It's the 4 out of 10 strength. And this is for a roughed up natural look. And it's matte, so it's not going to leave your hair looking shiny or greasy. And it produces a matte effect that leaves hair feeling light as if zero product was used in your hair. No greasiness. So it says style advice to apply to damp or dry hair. I prefer to use it on dry hair or slightly wet hair. Just out of the shower, dry it off with a towel, and rough up your hair using your palms, and then sculpt and mold using your fingertips. For a big messy look, style from the roots with your fingertips. So the way that I use this stuff is that I usually just put a pea-sized amount on my finger. I think that's more than enough to get this product working well. And then I usually just rub it between my hands here, and then I start styling it over. I usually go from the roots, but I work to get my hair in the right way first. Usually do my sides too, get the top all spiked up. I might even have used a little bit too much in this, so it's pretty good stuff. It holds it quite strong. Just get everything in the right way. And there we are. Quick and easy to style. There's a slight shine to it. That's because I got a light pointed right at the camera here. But it does hold quite well, and it feels nice and light, but also holds it in place like really well. So it works fantastically well. This stuff holds it in place. Gives it a nice matte look. Might have used a little bit too much here, but it'll work itself in over time. And there you have it. That is how you use the L'Oreal Line Studio Matte and Messy Hair Fiber Paste. It's a fiber paste. It works very well. As you can see there, holds it in place, doesn't shake out, and it holds it firmly. So it works very well. And that's the Matte and Messy by L'Oreal Studios. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.